In the Getting Started class, we looked at sections. So we did a deep dive into how to create sections from start to finish. Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for over 30 years. Sections are amazing, taking a live cut through your 3D model. But there's different reasons for using different techniques, and we covered those in our Getting Started classroom. We started by looking at what is a section. How do you create a section? What settings are there on a section that we need to look at to make sure it's doing what we want? With the attendees, I went through all of the settings. Now, the reason I went through the settings was really to make sure that all the attendees understood what the settings were, when they should use them, and how they can use those settings to suit the documentation phase they're in. We went through options looking at when we should use one type of section and when we should use another. We wrapped up by looking at other more complex ways of using sections to make sure that your flat sections are detailed, that they have all the information you want, but they do reflect the changes in the 3D model. This was a great section, and it really helped unlock sections for the attendees. Now, if you want to look at this movie, click on the link below, become a member of my community, and let's get started taking our knowledge and applying it to our workflow. Catch you later.